So back in action here on Martin's Sunbeam. I pulled these panels that aren't OEM out just to make sure we have no rogue wiring. It looks like somebody got a little frisky with the leftover construction shit. But here's all the sockets for the tail. Oh my god. It just gets worse. It just gets worse. And then you get this mess down here. And then there's this. Oh my god, somebody did not know what the fuck they're doing. And then this, which is actual factory wire, goes to nowhere. And then we get to play what's under the electrical tape. What's in there? Oh my god. So spending more time on Martin's Sunbeam. Martin was actually here a little bit ago and we talked about a few things. But now I'm continuing on and I go to start taking the wiring out for the taillights. And they've definitely been crimped and taped and butt connectored. Ay. We'll pull that out from the other side. I'm trying to get out our backup light, and that's all jacked up. Trying to get the screws out of that. Better reach in under the wire. But I really want to get all these wires out and done. So I need to finish taking the harness out. Look, this side actually kind of went how it's supposed to. Not really, but yeah, at least it's out. But it's coming. Need to go backup light wires. That's all that's left. Back here. Ow. And then so pulling out, and then we get up here and we get to route it into the interior. But we'll be done on the lift. We can set it down. And of course, here's the one battery cable. I like how it just kind of floats over the exhaust. That's scary as all hell too. But we'll deal with that. We'll get to it. At least it's grommeted. Progress. All right, all backup wiring is out. I've seen a lot of spliced butt connector nonsense. So I'm gonna put the car on the ground. We'll roll it back a little and go from there. So under the dash, trying to get the rest of the electrical handled in here. And Jesus. There's butt connectors and craptastic work everywhere. But I gotta get all this off. Oh my god, somebody went splice crazy because they didn't want to do the job right. So I'm just unplugging everything we can. And I like how some of the bulbs are incandescent. Some are LED. And there's all kinds of hokey splicey nonsensory here. Good lord. Zip ties. Incorrect stuff. Oh, loose stuff too. Oh, that's... Yeah, the heater control's completely loose. Nice. High dollar shit right here. Pull that baby out. There's fuse to God only knows what. There's about 14 redundant grounds in here as well. And gotta get up to the column. And get all of that figured out. Fun. Carrying on. So back on Martin's Sunbeam, I'm pulling out some more of the electrical. Someone thought it was a wise idea to route wiring over the steel sheath, which at least it's a sheath and not the actual cable itself, for parking brake. So that's kind of scary. And then how it's just sitting down here, which this is a factory tab. I get it, but it's still kind of gross. But it's coming out. We're getting it. So we're routed up here. This is battery cable. It goes to starter, which I'm going to undo and pull out, because I'll route that last. Comes up, goes through this frame rail here, up into here, and up into there. So I want to get all this undone, and then we can go live under the dash, it looks like. There's a little bit of wiring here that I need to figure out what that's going to. Be our backup light switch. That's got some weird wiring. So that's all of the tail light, brake light, backup light, license plate light, etc. wiring. That's the complete chunk, minus the hacked up pieces that are on the actual sockets on the passenger side, which we got to deal with. But that's that.